Welcome to our channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribe for more crochet inspiration baby clothes, and don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Today we are excited to share with you a collection of adorable crochet baby clothes designs featuring beautiful frocks and sweaters for little ones. From sweet and simple to intricate and elaborate, we have got a wide range of designs to inspire your next crochet project. Let's get started. First up, we have these adorable crochet baby frocks. They are perfect for special occasions or everyday wear. Let's take a look at some of our favorite designs. This beautiful lace frock is perfect for a baby girl special day. The intricate details and delicate pattern make it truly stunning. This sweet pastel colored frock with a floral pattern is perfect for spring. The soft colors and gentle designs make it ideal for a baby sensitive skin. This elegant crochet frock with intricate details is sure to impress. The combination of lace and crochet stitches creates a truly beautiful piece. Next, we have these cozy crochet baby sweaters. They are perfect for keeping your little one warm and snug. Let's take a look to some of our favorite designs. This classic cable knit sweater is a timeless favorite. The texture, stitch, and cozy fit make perfect for everyday wear. This adorable pastel colored sweater with a cute design is perfect for everyday wear. The soft color and gentle pattern make it ideal for a baby sensitive skin. This warm and cozy sweater with the textured pattern is perfect for colder days. This combination of crochet stitches and soft yarn makes it truly special. We hope these designs have inspired you to create something special for your little one. When it comes to crocheting baby clothes, the most important thing is to choose soft, comfortable yarns and make sure that gentle garments are well fitting. You can also add embellishments like buttons, ribbons, and appliques to make the clothes more adorable. Let's take a look at some more designs that showcase these ideas. This beautiful crochet baby dress with a floral pattern and ribbon trim is perfect for a special occasion. This adorable crochet baby buttons and a cute design is perfect for everyday wear. This warm and cozy crochet baby sweater with a textured pattern and pom-pom trim is perfect for older days. Thanks for watching our video of crochet baby clothes designs. We hope you have been inspired to create something special for your little one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more crochet inspiration design. If you have any questions or would like to share your own crochet creations, please leave a comment below. We see you in the next video.